Game 4 between Dallas Mavericks and LA Clippers was really very exciting game, ano. At the start of the first quarter, nakita natin na very efficient yung itong LA Clippers. Lumamang sila as much as I think 20 points, may get 23. First quarter 16-39 lamang yung Clippers, tapos nakabol yung konti yung Dallas, naging 33. Umiscore sila ng 33 against 27. So tingnan natin, balikan natin pure basketball. So si Paul George nagpakitang gilas kagad sa first quarter. Actually sa first half more than 20 points yung ginawa ni Paul George. Of course si Zubac, andyan din yung mga kalaw ni Zubac, at of course si Paul George talagang pakitang gilas dito sa first quarter. At siyempre ito si Powell, umiscore din, wala pa si Leonard yan, so malaking bagay itong contribution at nag-step up itong ibang players. Siyempre si Harden, yung mga step back 3-pointers niya, malaking tulong nito, at saka for the entire game nakita natin malaking contribution itong si Harden. Malaking bagay talaga ito siya dito sa Clippers team. During the third quarter, 82-76, lamang pa rin yung LA Clippers. At going into the fourth quarter, lamang pa rin sila, pero dalawa na lang, nakahabol nga, Yung last 4 minutes, 98 all, talagang exciting talaga. Tapos lumamang naman yung Clippers, andyan si Harden, syempre, malaking bagay yung kay Harden. Syempre si Irving, makita niyo yung drive niya yan. Ito mga floater, very effective dito para kay Harden, lumamang ulit sila ng 2 points, and then sa magandang defense na pinakita ito sa position na to si Harden. Harden step back and then penetrate with that familiar floater, signature floater, yung pasok. Kaya ito ang nagpa-establish sa kalamangan, pero nakapasok pa rin mga tira ng Dallas, lamang ng 1 point at 1 minute 55. Pero pumasok pa rin yung mga floater ni Harden. At last 1 minute, lamang sila ng 5, 110 to 105. Umabol pa rin, naging 110 to 107. Tatlo na lang for 52 seconds remaining. Tayo na nanalo yung Clippers for this game, tying it. So makita natin yung contribution. Si Doncic with 29, of course Irving with 40 points, very effective and efficient game for the two of them. Siyempre yung contribution ng ibang mga players like Washington, Jones. Siyempre si Lively, maganda pinakita. Si Josh Green at si Maxi Kleber, maganda yung mga pinakita nila. Pero yun nga, kulang yung naging kabuuan ng performance nila. So at this point, after game 4, tayong the series is tied at 2-2 after game 4. Ito naman yung performance ng Clippers. Paul George, siyempre 33 points. At saka si Harden, the same at 33. Yung pinakita ni Paul George in the first half was really helpful doon sa pag-umpisa nila. And then going to the end game, makita nyo yung composure ni Harden. So ito, Paul George, si Kofi, Zubac, Mann, lahat sila may magandang contribution. Siyempre si Powell from the bench, at of course si Westbrook. Si Plumlee, maganda rin yung pinakita niyang contribution dito sa game 4 na to para sa makuha nila yung 2-2 series. So, tingnan natin yung statistics, lamang sa field goal percentage yung Clippers, the same with the 3-point percentage, ganun din. Pero sa free throw, mas malakas lamang yung Mavericks, ganun din sa defensive side, rebounds, sa offensive at saka defensive, lamang din yung Mavericks. Kaya nga nakahabol sila sa game na to, dahil kung hindi sa defensive side nila, defensive efforts, and then doon sa magandang free throws, malamang malaking gap o malaking kalamangan yung panalo sana ng Clippers. So very exciting game na to ito, and then the series would be, I think, would reach game 7 hopefully. That would be very good basketball, pure basketball without trouble. So enjoy natin itong NBA playoff.